Hey guys, today I've got a Admiral Washer. Now Admiral's made by Whirlpool. It's just a surname they use at one of the different big box stores, that with Roper and Inglis and a few of the other ones. But anyway, I've got this one just set to normal, regular. This kind of determines how long it's going to agitate. On this particular model, you get to set the water amount that gets to be used. So I set it on large, which is going to be full submersion. This does have the center agitator, so it's going to do an excellent job getting these clothes overall clean. It's going to fill all the way up with water, full submersion, and then agitate them clean. It's kind of the best of both worlds because this one also still spins super fast, which is great for extracting the water out of the clothes and cutting your drying time pretty much in half from the older models. So what I'm doing now is this video, obviously, as if you were standing here yourself, checking it out. You get to see that everything on it works perfect. So like I said, normal, regular, it's filling up now, then it'll lock, it'll wash, drain the water out, fill back up, rinse, and then we'll be on to the final spin. And what I've done here is I just took the two little screws out for the lid lock, and that typically goes here. Just that way I can open this. Otherwise it would lock as a safety feature and you wouldn't be able to open this up at all here. So that's how it'll come for the buyer. But I just do this so you can see what's going on as it runs through and we run this final test load. So we'll let it go ahead and fill all the way up and I'll come back when it's doing its nice strong agitation. Okay, and it's been agitating and running here for a couple minutes. You can see full submersion there on those jeans, towels, jackets, that kind of thing. Doing an excellent job getting that worked out. Nice, quiet operation. Okay, it is switching over to the rinse mode. It's draining the water out. So it's gonna spin, fill up with fresh water, agitate in that clean water for the rinse cycle, and then drain out, and we'll be on to the final spin, which is what I'll come back for next. Okay, and here we are at full speed spin. See, it sounds great, spinning super fast. Now normally this lid would be locked down, it wouldn't be shaking around because this is lifted up here, but see here, it's spinning nice and fast. The drain's running, getting the last of that water out. It sounds great. I'll go ahead and let that finish up and we will show you the dryer next. Alright guys, now I've got those clothes moved over to a Maytag Bravos electric dryer. And we've got tons of options here. You've got sensor cycles, so it's going to sense how long it needs to go in order to get the clothes dry, and you can do more heat, normal, or less dry. It's kind of depends on how much heat you really want going at it. You also, though, have a heat sensor adjustment here. So even if you want to go all the way down to air dry for your delicates, you have that. You have wrinkle prevent. You can turn a signal cycle on and off. You also have time dry, starting all the way out at 70 minutes and kind of goes down. You can adjust the heat on that and create your own delicates. So tons of options there. You can hear it running. It sounds great. Nice smooth operation. And I'm going to show you that it is heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So it's about 71 degrees Fahrenheit on the top here. Of course, see if I shine it on the ground, it's going to change. The ground is obviously much colder. So go ahead and open this up, shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. That in turn is going to heat the inside of our dryer anywhere from about 95 up to 195. Just depends on what you have your heat setting at up there. You've got your lint trap here. You want to change that, clean that out before each load. And we'll just hit start, let that finish up. But now you know both the washer and dryer are working perfectly. You've seen them as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Thanks guys, you have a great day.